Every team can just, sit together and start working on the task you're giving them. One more thing here is that you can spice it a little up and ask them to have, like a name for the team and slogan and logo. So, a name for the team, they would be like choosing any name that they like, and even funny names are gonna be interesting. And a slogan, like a sentence that they would say, like for example, when you call on their team, like for example, if the team's name is Eagles and their slogan is spread your wings. So whenever you say inside the class Eagles, they would just scream, spread your wings, because that would be the slogan, expressing them. And you can also ask them to draw a logo to represent their team, and they would just hang it above their heads, and they can actually write the score of any task they accomplished. So every team would have like a scoreboard. Here you might be thinking like, didn't you just say that we're talking about cooperation versus competition here? And I'm gonna tell you, yes, we're talking about cooperation here, but at the same time they are competing with the other teams. So as a team, we're competing against the other teams, which is like really nice for loyalty and stuff. And of course, you can change loyalty later on by changing the teams. But a competition in the traditional classroom would be like one student or individual students against each other, like 1-to-1. But here it's a team versus a team, so it would be really fun inside the class. Why would they create a logo? Think about it. If you refer back to our multiple intelligence course, you will find that it will help them enhance their visual intelligence, and it's really fun because you'll always have a student who really likes to draw or color, so it would be a good way for them to practice their creativity. So that is for the first structure, which is lineup structure, and remember to choose something that is culture-wise acceptable.